Mayor Marianne Meed ward fielding questions from journalists and residents on Cavedish Drive. She was here to see for herself the devastating damage of the flood. This creek, which runs alongside homes on Cavedish Drive, overflowed, causing thousands of litres of floodwater to gush into many basements. Residents are blaming this embankment collapse at the nearby 407 express toll route for clogging downstream.
Well, we need to really understand what happened here. Was it a culvert? Was it debris? The first approach to solving a problem is to truly understand what the source of it is. So our staff are still looking at what happened here and why this creek overflowed and the basements flooded. That shouldn't happen. So once we have those answers, then we can develop a plan in terms of are there changes to city infrastructure that needs to happen? Do we need to advocate for changes to the highway infrastructure? We don't have those answers yet, but one way or the other, we'll do our part, and we'll also advocate to others if it's their infrastructure that needs improving. We'll let them know what we've found.
These flood-affected residents join about 280 others across the city of Burlington who have been impacted by the downpours.
Mayor Meed ward was correct. She's trying to get an assessment of what's actually happening, what's going on. We don't really know what the recourse is. The reality is we'll go through our insurance process, knowing there's two levels of government and the private company that are all kind of contributing causes to the amount of damage that happened to our houses. I doubt that we're gonna just let our insurance policies take care of it. I think there's a likelihood for us to try to pursue some sort of remedy when it comes to the 407 especially, but I do as much as hearing from the infrastructure manager from the city of Burlington, I do feel that there's major contributions from a maintenance perspective that seriously contributed to all of it.
Many of the homes here have had their power and their gas shut off for safety reasons, so they've been evacuated from their neighborhoods, protecting their property. Those are the things that are top of mind for residents. After that, then let us know, report it, let us know that you've been affected, and if you have any questions, please get in touch with city@burlington.ca or mayor@burlington.ca, and we'll get the answers that we can.
Meanwhile, Halton authorities are urging residents to remain vigilant this weekend. Waterways and streams throughout the region remain elevated. We are on the banks of 16 Mile Creek in Oakville. The recent flooding has prompted Conservation Halton to issue warnings for waterways. Now, the rain has stopped, but the riverbanks remain saturated and can easily sink or collapse. Many of those on summer breaks are visiting parks and are being warned to approach these areas with caution as the ground is unstable. A few meters downstream, residents caught a glimpse of the engulfed Glen Abbey golf course. Good news is that the course, which looked swallowed by floodwaters earlier this week, is expected to be reopened this weekend. I'm Devan Murugan for Halton News.